Hey, what's up everyone? In this guide, our goal is to show you how to download Adobe Dreamweaver, a professional web development tool, for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop with a 14-day trial. Let's get started. To begin, click the link in the video description. This will take you directly to Adobe's official page, where you can start your Dreamweaver trial. Once you're there, select Start Free Trial. You'll see two plan options. The monthly plan offers flexibility, allowing you to cancel anytime with no long-term commitment. The annual plan, billed monthly, is a cost-effective solution if you plan to continue using Dreamweaver after the trial period. Next, you must log in or create a free Adobe account. Please note that Adobe will ask for a valid payment method. However, you won't be charged if you cancel before the 14-day trial period ends. Setting a reminder is a smart way to avoid unexpected charges. Once your account is set up, Adobe will guide you through the installation, making it a breeze. You'll be prompted to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. From there, locate Dreamweaver, click Install, and your download will begin. The setup process is quick and user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience. And that's it. You now have 14 days to explore Adobe Dreamweaver, build responsive websites, and experience its full capabilities risk-free. If you found this helpful video, please like the video and subscribe for clearer and more professional tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!